good morning. In our this video, we'll see explicit intent. In last video, we already seen that explicit intent one, how it should goes, but how to control back that we can see. See now I'm clicking on this. Now we are in a third page. Now I'm pressing on a system back is nothing but phone back button. It going second page, it going first page, then it's closing. But I don't want like this. When I'm in a third page, once I click on that, I want to go to first page. How it should comes. There are two ways. We'll see the two ways. One way is we can write code in the third, because from third I want to go to first page. And that there is a one predefined function, predefined method is there, that is unback pressed. So if we use this unback pressed, it can goes to the first page. How it see here? Simply I am writing again here intent equal to new intent. Then here this is the context is here third dot this. Then here I want to go to first page is nothing but here our main activity dot class. Then here we need to write this start activity of I. See now, just I am running this application. Now it goes to that page or not, we can able to understand here now. See here, already predefined one. Just I am running this third. See when I am in a third, it is going second. It's like this. But now it's a new. What happens here? See, first page, second page, third page. Now I am pressing back button on the third page. It is going to the first page instead of second. Our function is working fine, but it should not work like that. I am expecting this is in a different way. How it should be means, if this case, it should not always work out, because if I go like this, now I'm moving from third page to second page, but still in my second page is in running mode. If it is in a running mode, what happens? If my entire application having 20 pages, each page has one intent, like I'm going like this, wherever I require I'm writing backpress, it's fine. But when after opening the 20 pages, it cannot close any page. All pages should be running on the background. If each and every page is running on the background, then it can be heavy load on your application. If it is in a heavy load on application, it's a very problematic to use, because if it is in a internet related thing, it can consume more data. If it is in a normal, it can consume more RAM. It's a lot of drawback is there. So because of that, this we can control in some other way. But I'll give you the both cases what are the real time scenarios. See, just simply here I'm writing the finish in second activity, because I don't want to wait this second activity in the background. Like how it goes. See, simply here this example is like a login page. When I entered my username and password in the login page, I went to the just this we can see, then we can go here. Now see, it's working fine. But how this happens? See, simply when I entered my username and password in a login page, it goes to menu page. When I am pressing the back button on menu page, normally it goes out of the application. But normal case, if you won't write this finish, what happens? It can be open again this login page. But if it open login page, it's a meaningless. Because of that, always it can open. This means, because whenever login page, registration page and all, we need to write finish. But for few pages we won't write finish. Like I want to edit my contacts page. I want to edit XYZ contacts. Then I click on this edit page, edit contact. When I click on edit page, in this particular contacts page, we could not write finish. But when you are in a next page, means edit page, once I submitted there successfully, there I will write finish, because when I click on the finish there, automatically again it should back to this contacts page. Means it's required this background, but that contacts could not be waiting in the background. It's not required, because now I added I modified XYZ. Then after that I added ABC. After that I something else. Like if I'm having multiple times I open this edit one, those all edits should be waiting in the background until it finishes. So such kind of single action scenarios we can close using the finish. Remaining whenever you should expecting the back, that you could not do with the finish. So this is about this. So thank you. This how to move this, control this. We can see in the next video about something else in this. Please subscribe for more updates. Thank you.